Hey guys, it's me Lily and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my squishies. So let's get onto the video. I'm going to try to go fast because I'm leaving soon, so hold on. Okay, so the first squishy I'm going to be showing you is this cake squishy. Let's go on to the next one. So the next one is this pie squishy. Cute. Next one. Okay, so the next one is this one. Next one. This one is the last but not least. Let's go on to the next one. And finally, the last one. It's this little plant guy. And that's all for today. Like and subscribe. Bye.